Just before this starts, I'm going to talk a bit about all of the stuff that went wrong while trying to make this. Because it's a lot. I don't know how it could mess up so much and still come out like this. So I recorded this campaign in 2 parts, and after I'd finished the first recording, I realised I didn't record the audio from the microphone. So there was just 2 hours of me walking around saying absolutely nothing. So the second half I recorded it all on one audio track, which is hard to deal with in editing. I've had to deal with it for months now. It sucks. Then I found out that the first half did record the microphone audio, and to hear it, all I needed was to use a different video player and a different editing software. So the second half of the campaign had audio problems. I had less than 2 days to learn a new video editor and edit a full video, and somehow that happened. I forgot to mention just now that the new editing software I'm using doesn't like the format that the videos were saved as. So I tried to convert those into the correct video format, whatever it's called, and it turned out terribly. It sounded like this. It sounds so bad. Yeah, not good. So then I looked in the recycling bin and it was thankfully still there. Thank you past me for being too lazy to clean it out. Even though there were all of those problems and the first few hours of editing didn't even save and I had to restart it, I got it done. So I've been talking for way too long already, just go and watch it. Here it is. Here's something that I made. Okay. I have too much energy now. Okay, do I have the controls set up right? Surprisingly, yes. So, new campaign. Your journey will be significantly more peaceful. I hope so. Okay, let's start. I have no idea what I'm getting into. Okay, and we're back. I have the controls messed up again. Yeah. There we go. And in again. I'm not watching that cutscene a second time. So it's the same cutscene apart from a few differences at the end. That's interesting. Yellow. It's different. I don't know what else will be different. What was that about? It's good to be back here. It's been a while. It's been over 3 months since I was last properly playing here. Wow. Come on. That's the wrong button. I need less food. How did I forget that? It is an easier campaign after all. I know some places that won't be easier at all. That looks weird. Needing less food. It feels weird. Oh. It also feels weird with everything being more yellow now. Well, I have only ever played one campaign so far, so yeah. And I also know more stuff as well now. Not going in completely blind. So this should be easier. I doubt it will be. It's nice to be back in the outskirts. What are you doing? What are you doing? Okay. I have no idea where I'm going. Well, I know where I'm going, I just don't know why I'm going here. Why am I going here? Oh, there's a leftover thing there. Of course I missed some. Just ignore that. You want to know why? Well, how I did that, I'll pop a thing up somewhere. Or I won't, who knows? I'm having fun. Why am I going the long way? I could have got here so much faster. It's nice to be back in the outskirts. Now I'm assuming that since the monk is a different campaign to the survivor, and a different character, there should be different dialogue. And obviously I'm just doing it because it's something new to do. Something I want to complete, so I will. Goodbye. It's weird only needing 2 points of food. What are they called? I don't know. Whatever they're called, it's weird only needing 2 instead of 3 or 4, whatever it was. Less food is weird, and I know that the other campaign, pre-Downpour, is pretty tough. Pretty tough as in, if you die you have to restart from the beginning. Not looking forward to that. I'll still do it, I'll just be more annoyed. Why are there centipedes here? Why am I going towards you? Why am I so much louder suddenly? I have questions. I have a lot of questions that didn't get answered the last time I did stuff here. Well, not specifically here, but I'm just rambling. Oh, do I have a high enough karma level to get to the industrial complex already? Maybe? I don't know. I can. Why is it darker here? industrial complex. I remember the first thing I did was jump over that direction and go somewhere I wasn't supposed to. I missed it this time. I am enjoying these spears. I know there's a shelter up there. I've been here before. I want to see how fast I can get to the shoreline. Don't mind me, I'm just having a quick drink break. It is surprisingly hot today. Was that a waste? Yep. Now this time I'm not going through Shaded Citadel because that isn't fun. What are you doing? Okay, and we can get past. Blizzard's as weird as ever. Okay, these are fun. Told you they were fun. Why does it feel darker than usual? I think it's just me. Oh! It's nice to be going through everywhere much faster than a few hours per region, because that took way too long. Go on then, take my spear. What? What? Okay. What? That's not the right colour of slug cat. What was that yellow thing about? I woke up in that exact position. What? Was that wall painted before? This hill is taller. I'm second guessing so many things. This hill looks like it's taller. And if it isn't, I'm losing it. Nope, I'm just losing it. That is loud. Oh no. Vulture! Nope! Now you get out of here. Leave, please. Oh. Okay. What is that about? It definitely feels like there's differences in this. I don't know why, but it feels like there's differences in the map and the background. It looks like a few of the rooms have been darker. And I'm not sure if those are actual changes that happened, or if I'm just losing my mind and the only changes are those weird things that keep happening. Leeches. I am definitely losing it. Something looks different with this thing here. This wasn't as tall last time, was it? I am definitely going insane. Why would there be differences with that? Oh no. I've not been focusing on food enough. Is it darker here? Or have I just been staring at the darkness of pebbles for too long? Good music as always. I know about the pearls. Yeah, I know. Is that pole that tall? I need the food. Come on. There we go. Why is the music disappearing? Why did you throw that? Why? Wait, the map still exists. Well, of course the map exists, but it's got every room mapped out from what I did before. Flipping leeches. Why does that seem brighter than before? That thing in the background looks so much brighter. I'm not dealing with sea leeches. Look at this. Oh, great. I'm going back to the very start again. Wait, no. Yay. I'll let those leeches deal with that thing. Oh, what? Okay. Shoreline. I need to look at those flashing images and see all the individual ones because I have no idea what they're saying. Time for the shoreline. This will either go incredibly well or be not incredibly well. I don't know. I'm getting launched by these food things. Why is there a tide in tubes indoors? That makes no sense. Says the person who speaks complete rubbish and doesn't make sense himself most of the time. Speaking of dehydrated, drink break. Shoreline. Way. And down we go. That's the wrong way. There's actual physical pipes down there? Oh no. Down we go. In the thing, thank you. Where's this go again? I don't remember. I think I know where that goes and I'm not going to go there. What if I just follow where the overseer is telling me is the best way to go? This isn't where I need to go. Oh, that's a lizard right there. Oh no. Okay, it completely ignored me. Thank you. I don't want to be down here. Oh. It was over here that was the best way to go. Don't you dare, jellyfish. I know what you do. Music. Oh. Flipping kelp, of course. Take that, kelp. Wait, there's a pearl up here. Oh no, I can't speak to Moon without getting the neuron thing. What is it called? I don't know. I don't know about most things, apparently. I'm enjoying this. I can also go down here. Oh, the music stopped. Why does it always do that halfway through? Why does it feel dark in here? Am I losing my mind? Or is it actually darker than before? I remember that this was broken the last time I came down here. What the? Am I supposed to find all of those? What is that about? Is it to do with getting the passages? I need that food. Oh, so they need this food over here. You wanna help, please? Thank you. And here we go. This campaign has been a lot easier so far. We're already up here. This isn't up, this is one of the furthest down places you can get while still being able to see the sun. Well, you can't see the sun because it's cloudy all the time. No, that's a bad idea. Across we go. Okay, so things are flashing down there, which is new, and it's darker. What is going on? Wait. From the one working thing that I've seen, this place is a lot more active than last time. Why do you have to be this way? Thank you. Not making the same mistake as last time. That was a weird sound. And in we go. Hello. I have no idea what you're saying, but I am not going to touch those neuron flies. Nope. Okay, bye. Am I just noticing a lot more details, or is that panel new? What? Okay, those pictures are new, probably because I did something stupid last time. That is definitely new, that wasn't flashing before. Friends,